Done.
Hey guys, it's Dusty Jade, and today I'm back again with another video. The angle's weird because today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be me cutting my wig's hair. It's a wig that I made with KLAIYI hair. So if you're interested in this video, keep on watching. So here's the stuff that I'm going to be using today. I have some scissors. Just a little disclaimer, if you're cutting your hair or somebody else's hair or even your weave or your wigs, do not use these scissors. Use hair shears. They look different, they're smaller and they're slimmer and they're sharper. I'm only using these because I don't have hair shears right now, but it's my wig, so it doesn't matter what kind of scissors I use. But just a little disclaimer, use real hair shears. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these along with a wide tooth comb, a spray bottle, and a clip just to keep it out the way. I'm just going to take down the ponytail and I'm going to spritz the hair and I'm just going to comb through it. the hair, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is the hair now. Let me get it right here. This is the back, the side, and the other side, and the front. On me, it should be about right here, when before it was literally down there. So yeah, that's my little wig. That's all the hair that I cut off. And some more. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cut my wig's hair. If you want more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!